Hello, it's Wayne from Caravan and Motorhome Sales. Today we have this 2009 Autotrail Excel 640G. It's done 42,000 miles. It's based on the Fiat 3 litre 160 brake horsepower. Last serviced August 22, last habitation May 24. So you can see it's got the good size awning, nice sized garage which is accessible from both sides, and you've got the extra habitation door locks, double reversing camera, double bike rack. Now it looks like this little corner has been resprayed or maybe wrapped, so that will just need to be redone, and there's a little tiny dink just there. Right, carrying on round to the offside. Again, you've got your locker storage there, which has your carpets and a spare tyre. Decals, excuse me, decals have a couple of tears just there. Nothing major really. There's a couple of little tears just up here. Very small, barely noticeable. So round to the front, you've got no cracks, no chips in the windscreen or the wing mirrors. No stone chips to really talk about. It does come with solar panel and alarm. Okie doke. Right, so it's a 4-berth 2-belt. So you've got your upgraded stereo there. It's an automatic. You've got cruise control, electric windows, cab blinds all round, reversing cameras just in the centre, fabric seats that are in good condition and they do swivel. Small TV just up above. So good storage, good LED lights and natural light coming in. So your fabric's all good. You've got this little raised bit here which is a little bit spongy just in that area, but it's not reading damp. And you've got a little bit of damage just there, a little bit of a crack. So the cupboards do have a little bit of peel in just a couple of areas. Right, so kitchen area, small oven, small fridge, and you've got your 3 gas hob. Nice bit of natural light coming through. You've got access to your garage and good size wardrobe. Transverse bed, mattress is all good, and you've got loads of storage in there. And then into your bathroom. So nice size separate shower with your sink in there as well, which is a good touch. And there we go. Right, so any queries, any questions on this model, please don't hesitate to give us a call. As you know, we're a lovely friendly bunch, and of course always happy to help. Thank you.